Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can sync a folder to Google Drive. So the first step you need to do is to search Google Drive, and you need to download the Google Drive first into your PC or in your laptop. Once you done that, you need to go back and you need to click on this arrow, and here you can see your Google Drive. Then you need to click the right mouse cursor and click on this gear icon and click on preferences. Once you are here you can see my laptop and Google Drive. So I selected my laptop. Click on add folder, and from your PC you can select any folder that you want to sync with your Google Drive. So I am going to select a folder. So I'm going to select this folder, that is classes. Select folder, and now it is synced with Google Drive, and then you simply need to click on done. So this is a process that you need to follow to sync a folder to Google Drive. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.